Hello friends, welcome to my channel Marine in Short. Subscribe the channel for latest update on DG shipping orders and circulars. Today we will talk about standard operating procedures, protocols for controlled crew change for seafarer sign on and sign off at Indian port, and also about the A-Pass for the seafarer. Let's see the key point of the order issued by DG Shipping. Ship Owner, Recruitment and Placement Service (RPS) agency to identify seafarer for joining a vessel. Seafarer has to fill up the travel and contact history for last 28 days as per Form 1 attached and submit it to the Ship Owner, RPS agency by email. I have attached a sample of Form 1 which you can see later in the video for your reference. Then the Ship Owner, RPS agency submit the duly filled in seafarer's travel and contact history form to a DG Shipping approved medical examiner for assessment and certification of the seafarer's fitness to join ship. Based on the seafarer's travel and contact history for last 28 days submitted by the Ship Owner, RPS agency, the medical examiner may call the seafarer for standard medical examination prescribed by DGS for certifying medical fitness of the seafarer. Upon medical examiner's confirmation for processing the sign-on, the following further processes are to be completed by the Ship Owner, RPS agency. Seafarer's travel route is to be identified, and details of the seafarer, vehicle, and driver for the proposed travel to be uploaded on DGS website. E-Pass for seafarer's link for generation of E-Pass, if needed. The downloaded E-Pass to be submitted to the local authority in the area where the seafarer resides for clearance for sign-on and for issue of a transit pass from the place of residence to the place of embarkation on the shipping vessel. The transit pass to and fro for such movement by road, for the seafarer and one driver, will be issued by the government of the state, union territory where the seafarer resides. The transit pass to and fro will be issued for a fixed route and with specified validity and will have to be adhered to strictly. Such transit pass would be honored, allowed by the authorities of the state, union territory along the transit route. Ship Owner, RPS agency to ensure completion of the following processes prior to sign-on. Uploading on DGS website the requisite details of the seafarer as per Form 1. Vehicle to be properly sanitized and sanitizers, spray, masks, hand gloves kept in place for driver and seafarer. Seafarer and driver to maintain the social distancing requirements as per Ministry of Health guidelines. At the city of port of embarkation, the seafarer shall undergo the COVID-19 test to confirm negative test result for COVID-19. The seafarer would be ready for sign-on if the COVID-19 test is negative. Otherwise action would be taken as per guidelines of Ministry of Health. Online sign-on migrate to be done for the seafarer. Till the time test results are awaited, the seafarer will be dropped at a safe location, by the car. With the completion of the above formalities and negative COVID-19 test report, the seafarer would be ready for signing on and can be placed on board. Driver to drop seafarer in the port, as applicable, and use the pass for return journey. For sign-off, seafarer to wear necessary PPE masks, hand gloves on arrival. Seafarer will be cleared by immigration authority. Seafarer arriving on a vessel from any foreign port or arriving on a coastal vessel from any Indian port would undergo the COVID-19 RT-PCR test or COVID-19 laboratory test to confirm negative test result for COVID-19. If the seafarer is tested as positive for COVID-19 will be dealt with as per the procedures laid down by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Seafarer arriving on a vessel from any foreign port within 14 days of departure from foreign port shall be kept in quarantine for a total of 14 days from the date of departure from the last foreign port at a facility approved by the port or state authority. On completion of 14 days, he shall undergo a COVID-19 test to confirm negative test. Upon a seafarer tested as negative, the ship owner RPS agency to ensure completion of the following processes. Seafarer's travel route post sign-off is to be identified. Details of the seafarer, vehicle, and driver for the proposed travel to be uploaded on DGS website. A-Pass for seafarers link for generation of A-Pass. Requisite details of the seafarer as per Form 1 are to be uploaded on DGS website. Online sign-off. A migrate to be done for the seafarer. Seafarer to download the A-Pass from his/her DGS governance seafarer profile and use it for the travel, if needed. The downloaded E-Pass to be submitted to the local authority in the area where the seafarer disembarks for clearance for sign-off, for issue of a transit pass from their place of disembarkation to the place of his/her residence. The transit pass for such movement by road, for the seafarer and one driver, will be issued by local authorities of the government of the state, union territory where the seafarer disembarks. The transit pass to and fro will be issued for a fixed route and with specified validity and will have to be adhered to strictly. Such transit pass would be honored, allowed by the authorities of the state, union territory along the transit route. Ship owner RPS agency to ensure the following for taking seafarer home. Vehicle being used for travel is properly sanitized and PPE, masks, hand gloves, and sanitizers made available for driver and seafarer. Driver and seafarer to maintain the social distancing requirements as per Ministry of Health and Family Welfare guidelines.